Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Facebook and locating the video you want to stop. You need to be on the post with the player visible. Once done, tap the video once to reveal on-screen controls and observe whether it's playing inline or opening the full player. Make sure to check if autoplay settings are active. If the video loops or starts immediately, pause controls behave differently. You'll now take the first actionable step to halt playback and prevent immediate restart. You should now pause or close the player to stop the video. Tap the pause icon at the bottom left or simply tap the video area. This toggles play/pause for inline videos. If the video expanded to full screen, tap the center or the pause button, then use the on-screen X or back navigation to return to the feed. Once paused, make sure to close the post window rather than leaving it open, because some posts resume when you scroll back or reopen the player. To finish, disable autoplay so videos stop starting themselves later. Go to Settings and Privacy Settings, Media and Contacts, App, or Media Autoplay, Web, and select Never Autoplay Videos. Once done, confirm the current video is paused and navigate away. If the video won't stop after pausing, force close and reopen the app or reload the page. Make sure your app is updated. Troubleshooting tip: clear app cache or reinstall if playback remains unresponsive. This resolves corrupted player behavior in most cases.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.